In this day and age, if you're still using Facebook to post just photos and engage with high school mates, then you're doing it wrong. Facebook is a gold mine where you can make a lot of money, even up to 6 figures per month. Yes, I know you might doubt me, but it is the complete truth. And here are 3 people who are currently making more than $100,000 on Facebook only. One of them is Jomie Casas, Rokeya Khanum, and Rufino. Now, here is their story. The first case study of an individual who made 6 figures on Facebook is a story about a guy named Rufino. And I found this story on Inc.com, and this is how it reads. In early June of last year, I launched a Facebook group called The Art of High Ticket Selling after my team convinced me to do so. Frankly, I didn't have high expectations. We were already turning $15,000 of paid advertising into $200,000 in revenue every month. Why waste time and money on a Facebook group? I invested around an hour a week managing the group. I spent $750 in ads to build the group out. 6 months later, just by doing these 2 things, my doubts have been proven wrong. This small group has become a vibrant community of 5,000 plus members and has led to nearly $100,000 in new business by members attending my free webinar and then becoming a customer. Now from this story, we can see that with less than $1,000 in Facebook ads, Rufino managed to grow his Facebook group to around 5,000 members and landed more than $100,000 in sales within 6 months. From the story, what I have garnered is that the secret was giving value for free, showing up consistently, and making real offers to people who needed his help. The group gave him direct access to the kind of people he wanted to work with, and Facebook became the middleman or woman. If you are a coach, freelancer, or anyone with a service, this model is gold. The second case study is of a lady named Jomie Casas. I found the story on Forbes, and you can read it to confirm. For Jomie, she didn't run Facebook ads. She didn't even sell a product on Facebook. All she did was post a powerful story about her journey and the value she brings to her clients, and it resonated well with people. That one personal Facebook story led to 4 high-ticket clients signing contracts worth a total of $160,000. Can you imagine? Just honest storytelling and positioning herself as someone who could solve real problems. Her post went viral among her audience because it was raw, real, and clear. This proves that Facebook isn't about selfies or memes. If you are offering something valuable and know how to tell your story right, your next big client might already be watching you. Now the third case study is also of a lady. Her name is Rokeya Khanum. Now, Rokeya started a fashion side hustles, which translated into 6 figures, and the biggest boost was from Facebook. She started with only 180 euros and a dream to launch her own modest fashion brand. She began posting her products on Facebook, collaborating with micro-influencers, and running affordable Facebook ads. Rokeya is born in East London to parents from Bangladesh. Now, her designs that she was posting on Facebook resonated very well with her audience, and she managed to hit her first 6-figure turnover only a few months after starting posting. She now runs a successful business that scaled into hundreds of thousands of pounds in revenue. Her story is a reminder that Facebook isn't just for likes, since it can also be used for real sales, especially if you are selling something that speaks directly to specific audience. Now, if you want to read this story, you can find in a website called The Sun.